said, I know you can't handle it.
Don't take your guns to town, son. Leave that home, Bill. Don't take your guns to town. He laughed and kissed his mom and said, "Your Billy Joe's the man. I can shoot as quick and straight as anybody can. But I wouldn't shoot without a cause, I'd gun nobody down." But she cried again as he rode away. Don't take your guns to town, son. Leave your guns at home, Bill. Don't take your guns to town.
You got a live bullet, huh?
Yeah.
He sang a song as on he rode, his gun hung at his head. He rode into a cattle town and smiled upon his lips. He stopped and walked into a bar and laid his money down. When mother's words echoed again, don't take your guns to town, son. Leave your guns at home, Bill. Don't take your guns to town. He drank his first strong liquor then to calm his shaking hands, and tried to tell himself at last he